The Valley of the Names, also known as Graffiti Mesa, is a fascinating and unique place located in the desert near Yuma, Arizona. This area is known for its vast expanse of desert floor covered with names, messages, and symbols created by arranging rocks. After I heard the place, it was on my bucket list for a while, and today is the day I awaited. Anyone who came here and marked you names or your loved ones' names, watch it to the end where I recorded with drone and find yours, and leave a comment what point of this footage your name is located. It is so vast. I could not record them all. If you cannot find yours, please forgive me. It was not my intention to disappoint you. This remote and arid landscape holds a secret that has been growing for decades. For over 75 years, visitors have been leaving their mark on this desert floor by arranging rocks to spell out their names, messages, and symbols. What started as a few scattered names has grown into a sprawling canvas of human expression. The tradition began during World War II, when soldiers stationed at nearby training camps would venture into the desert to leave their names as a way to pass the time and leave a piece of themselves behind. They started arranging rocks to spell out their names and messages in the hard-packed bentonite clay of the desert. This practice continued after the war, and over the decades, the area has grown into a sprawling canvas of human expression. The Valley of the Names covers over 1,200 acres and features thousands of names, messages, dates, and designs created by visitors from all over the world of adventurers from all walks of life. Today, the Valley of the Names is a testament to the enduring human desire to be remembered. Each name and message tells a story, capturing a moment in time and connecting people across generations. From simple names to elaborate designs, the creativity on display is awe-inspiring. Some visitors return year after year to add to their creations, while others stumble upon this hidden treasure by chance, leaving their mark for the first time. The Valley of the Names is more than just a collection of rocks. It's a living, evolving monument to the human spirit, a place where memories are made and stories are told. So, if you ever find yourself in the desert near Yuma, take a moment to leave your mark and become a part of this extraordinary legacy, and be aware not to disturb existing creations. If you cannot find rocks or space for yours, go further north. There are a lot of rocks and spaces. you for watching, and see you in the next episode.